This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Nursing is one of the primary professions that require trust from its clients. Indeed, nurses are in close contact with patients and their families, so their every action must be consistent with professional accountability. As cited in Davis, professional responsibility is defined by the American Nursing Association's Code of Ethics as being answerable to oneself and others for one's actions. Overall, a nurse needs to demonstrate professional accountability in clinical expertise, the nursing process, and evidence-based practice. To explain the previous statement, it is essential to provide several examples. First of all, every nurse has to take a responsible approach to acquire the necessary skills, education, and experience. Such a nurse will never overestimate their abilities to not worsen a patient's condition or the general situation in the hospital. Further, when it comes to the nursing process, an example of a nurse demonstrating professional accountability will be the proper usage of equipment, adequate documentation of the information related to treatment, and the correct administration of medications. Finally, evidence-based practice also requires nurses to be professionally accountable. As stated by Davis, this refers to the consistent implementation of gold standard evidence-based practice findings, as well as credible and up-to-date resources to guide their nursing care and interventions. A professionally responsible nurse will never use a method that is not evidence-based or otherwise prove to be ineffective because such an intervention can harm a patient. To conclude, one may say that professional accountability is indeed an integral part of nursing. Since patients trust nurses with their lives and health, it is of vital importance that these healthcare professionals perceive their duties responsibly and refer to evidence-based practice during decision-making. This is the best way to improve healthcare and reduce the rates of medical errors. What is more, the professional accountability of nurses improves the general outcomes and allows them to be more involved in the treatment process. Did you like this professional accountability of nurses sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.